Get faster cutting with less vibration. The 18V LXT Recipro Saw. Makita created an innovative vertical crank design, engineered for less blade deflection, less vibration, and more efficient cutting. It has a Makita-built variable speed motor that delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute with an efficient 1 1/4 inch stroke length for efficient cutting. With a rubberized soft grip handle and a compact size, this Recipro Saw provides increased comfort and less operator fatigue on the job site. The XRJ04M features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.